this video, I will be showing you how you could get echo effect in Scratch. So let's start. To start off with, first go to this link and then install it for Chrome. So we are basically installing Scratch add-ons, which is basically a Chrome extension. Once you install Scratch add-ons, go to this puzzle icon and then click Scratch add-ons. Then just search for echo effect and then enable it. And you now have an echo effect button. Just click it and you get that. Go to the code. When green flag clicked, play sound meow, and now as you can see, Scratch add-ons also has many other features, so I recommend you checking them out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.